Hi friends, welcome back to Code India. This is the part 2 of custom table view cell. We have already created a custom table view cell. Now we are going to customize the design and make it more fancy. So let us open our Xcode. Let us first run our application. In part 1 of the tutorial, I have created a label and an image view. I had used a checkmark image. Now I have changed the image. Now let me add height for row at index path for this table view. We can add height for row at index path delegate method of table view. For this also we can do this on our storyboard, but I prefer to add height for row at index path. I have added height for row at index path to be 120 and now it is looking fine. Now I will add a background gray view to our table view cell. Now I am adding constraint from the background view. This will be 10 10 10 margin from top, bottom, right and left. Now I will add the corner radius, background color to this UI view. For doing that, I am creating the IB outlet. Now I will add the background color to this background view. For this I am going to create a method that will be awake from nib in my custom cell class. Now inside this I will write all the code which will be common for this table view cell. Now I will create some more label for LBL city and LBL phone for phone number and city. Also I will add a stack view for that. First of all, let me clear all the constraints that I added before. I will add a UI stack view, and I will align this UI stack view from top, bottom and trailing area, and I will add the width constraint to that. My stack view will be 10 from the top, 10 from the trailing area, 10 from the bottom, and the width will be 110. I will add width to be 200. So my stack view is created. I will put my label inside this stack view and make the stack view fill equally. The distribution will be fill equally. So all the label that I will add to this stack view will be filled equally, equal distance from each other. They will be a vertical stack view, so they will be aligned vertically. So I will create the IB outlet for these. Now let me add a circular image view. Let me add a circular image view, and for that I am going to add a corner radius of this image view to be half of the size of the width, and width and height will be equal for my image view. Now this is my final outcome. Last thing I need to do is remove this separator. For that I will go to main.storyboard. Inside my table I will add separator to be none. Now let me add some hard-coded value for this city and phone number. Right now I have created only one cell and I have created 10 rows with the similar cell. In my next part of the tutorial, I will create a core data and I will save value from that core data to my table view cell and retrieve that value. Thanks for watching.